Oh Lord, look at my desk. It's a mess. Maybe I'll clean it today. Maybe. I also want to share my newest goodie off Amazon. I have a pretty good collection of these sticker books that I found off Amazon. I will try and have links in the description for as much as possible, but I just gotta collect them all. I am obsessed with these sticker books, so I had to get one more. Another one. I'm just obsessed with these little sticker books. Oh, and side note, these are my stickers in my shop. So I restocked the blue butterflies. Oh my god, they're so cute. And then I got this cute little like butterfly sticker sheet. I'm so excited. They just arrived. So, okay, I'm getting distracted. I wanted to show this sticker book. It's so cute. Let's take a look at her, shall we? So cute. So she's a bit smaller than the like other sticker books. I feel like these are more almost like textbooks or like novels, like Harry Potter's, and this is kind of just more practical, a practical amount of stickers, not like a whole textbook of stickers. But I guess price wise these are a better value, but this one is so stinking cute. Love it. All right, let's take a look. So we've got some like gothic, I don't know, garden ornamental frames. And then like type. This is a really pretty font. I like that. Oh yeah, how cute. Little type keys and numbers. That's cool. In, I think one of these books, it's really annoying because the letters are all, like here's H, K, L. I mean, they're in alphabetical order, but there's like so many random sticker pages in between. So it's kind of annoying if you're trying to find a certain letter. So I like that this one it's all together. That's really nice. And then the travel, how cute. Time to travel. Oh, I love it. Stamps. Oh, like steampunk and gears. Oh, how cute. Oh, like ornamental frames in black and white. That's cute. Circus. Oh, I love tickets. I love tickets. Creepy clowns. Oh, how cute. Like very floral, vintage garden, shabby chic, French. Oh, and then like spooky vibes, witch vibes. I like this. I love the skeleton. How cute. Cherubs. They're so funny. Oh my god, cute. That's precious. Little fairy cherubs. And then maybe like very dapper gentleman. It kind of has 2 pages of each theme, which is kind of cool. Maybe this is like, I don't know, I would say dapper or gentleman, gentlemanly. And then ladies and gentlemen. How pretty. Very, very charming. Birds, little birds, how sweet. Oh my god, I love it with their eggs. Oh my god, I need to use this. Oh, I guess this is one of the advantages of having a messy desk, is stuff is just thrown everywhere. Look at the ostrich. We went to Ostrich Land in Solvang so I might have to use this sticker. In this book, sorry, I'm getting distracted. I have a video on these pages. Oh, I don't know if it'll fit. Oh my god, that's cute. I already put an ostrich sticker, which is the only reason, pretty much the only reason I bought the birds, bees, birds, and butterflies sticker book, is just because I wanted that ostrich sticker in there. So that's just so freaking cute. Oh, I love it. There's no chickens, but it's fine. It's fine. We'll let it slide. A dodo? That's cute. Oh, flowers and florals. Oh, I love it. Butterflies and bugs. Oh my god, I love it. Another shameless plug for my butterfly sticker sheet. Oops. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I feel like these are kind of a better size too, because I do like journaling in a Hobonichi Weeks, which is kind of smaller, or I will do journaling in these composition books, which there's plenty of space, but for my like smaller format journaling, it's nice to have some smaller stickers. And some of these stickers in these books are huge, like huge florals and big old bugs and birds, so they're not as easy to stick into your smaller journals, because that's a giant horse. Like some of these are pretty big, they won't fit in my Hobonichi Weeks, so I feel like this is kind of a little bit better of a size. Maybe this is like forest, the mushrooms and the trees. Oh, this looks like a tree of life. Squirrels. Oh, freaking squirrels. Oh, farm, like farmer's market and veggies. Oh yeah, I like this. Peaches and blackbirds. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, cute floral frames. It's hard to say. Oh, how cute. I love the butterflies. Is that a sticker? It is. It's a tiny little sticker. So cute. Okay. Ooh, maybe like astronomy? I don't know the difference. Oh, those are cute. I love the sun and the moon. Oh, and then seashore. I know there's another like seashore specific sticker book, but I'm kind of terrified of the ocean, so I probably won't get that one. But these are so pretty. I love like looking at fish and shells, and I like being at the beach, but I'm terrified of the ocean. Maybe like vehicles and like transportation, how cool, like old cars, trains, boats. I'd love to go on a cruise again one day, hopefully. I need to get air in my bike tires. So cute. Animals. Is that another ostrich? How cute. Okay, another butterfly. More aminals. I hate monkeys. That's a cute penguin though. Maybe sport. How cute. Like at the beach, like vintage. I think most like these older the antiquarian ones, these are like old vintage images that have like passed their copyright date or whatever, so that they're free to use. So they're like old vintage illustrations, and that's kind of what it reminds me of. Oh, how cute. Ladies, gentlemen, little buttons and charms, little baubles, jewelry, maybe, theme. Oh my god, cats. Beware of cat. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, how, oh, there's a dog. A house is not a home without a dog. Look at that one. Look at that one. Oh, I'm gonna cry. I love dogs. Oh my god, look at him. Oh, I love it. I love dogs. Oh, maybe a holiday, This kind of looks like Valentine's and Easter and Christmas and birthday, Hanukkah, St. Patrick's Day. And that's it. Whoops. It looks like it's already starting to separate from the binding, which is totally okay. I'm gonna rip apart this book anyways. I rip apart pages out of pretty much all of my sticker books. You know, whatever. It's mine now. I can rip it apart if I want to. And these were pre-order on Amazon, and it kind of took a while for them to actually come out. So I'm wondering if they just kind of, you know, slapped them together and got them out the door. But I still think it's totally worth it, and now it's kind of, I don't know, easier. I can take these sheets with me. It might be nice to have these like holiday sheets with me in my little stationery pouch. I just kind of did a video on what I keep in here. I do keep some of the larger sticker sheets. Like I said, I will rip them out. And now I have like a little collection to use on the go if I ever needed, you know, a random sticker. So I feel like these are a little bit better sized for taking on the go. Perfect. There we go. And I have like all the holiday ones in there. So cute. So I don't mind that it's falling apart, but I don't know if you do. Something to keep in mind. So there she is. That is the Unforgettable Vintage Sticker Book that I got off Amazon. 50 pages of designs with over 580 stickers, beautiful illustrations with nostalgic charm, tons of styles and sizes and styles to choose from, durable stickers with a high quality finish, perfect for collaging, scrapbooking, personalizing your planner, and more. Travel back in time with this eclectic sticker collection. How cute! Printed in China. Peter Popper Press. Love it. Okay. I'm getting off topic, but thank you guys so much for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed this kind of random video. I'm sure you can tell my voice is a little sick. So I was just looking to do something chill today, and I thought I would share my newest purchase because Amazon gets me every damn time with the sticker books. All right. If y'all want to see any more of these, I think I've already taken a few out of here, but this one is also amazing. I find that some of the stickers in the back are kind of hard to peel off completely. I don't know. That one was perfect. But some of them I find are a little stuck in the corners, but the stickers in this book are gorgeous. They're absolutely gorgeous. I love this one. So I will have an Amazon link in the description if y'all just want to do some shopping through there, get a little affiliate credit going, and I will put it back in the channel and probably buy another sticker book. So thank y'all for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this random kind of video. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see any of these other ones, or if you know of any other sticker books on Amazon that I need to buy. You know, drop me a link. I wouldn't be mad. Even though I have more stickers than I could possibly ever use in an entire lifetime, I'm obsessed. What can I say, you know? So thank y'all for hanging out, and until I see ya in the next video, stay creative. Okay, bye!